Hello guys, this is Ginger Look UK coming to you with another video, and this time we're going to be doing soft glam tutorial. I'm going to take you through how I achieved this beautiful makeup you're looking at right now. By the time I finish, I was looking like butter. The makeup is so beautiful, it's flawless. Guys, if you want to see how I achieved this look, don't go anywhere, just stay tuned. But before we jump into the video, if you've not hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Please hit on the subscribe button and press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I post a new video, guys. So let's jump into the video. So guys, the first thing I like doing is to apply this on my face just to moisturize my face. And I like applying it on those places that really need the moisturizer seriously. The next thing I like to apply is to apply my foundation. I just like to apply my setting spray. This will make your makeup like last more than, as in it will just stay one place. You apply the foundation, then you use your setting spray. So now I'm going to be using the L.A.Girl Pro. I'll be using this palette. I'm using the brown. That is why it's called the soft glam, because all the colors, you're not supposed to use anything very bright. With a shine, just to give it that glam look. So I'm applying a darker brown on this Tara palette. That's a darker brown. I just want to, yeah.
You know
that pop.
so
To pop.
I'm doing this makeup on a rush, but it's fine. We're going to get all perfectly well. I'm supposed to pick my baby from school, and my sleek blush. The name is clean, so you won't be able to see it. It's pink anyway. I'll just use light slightly. Just a little on that. That is what I'm talking about. You can see it's really defined. So yeah, it came out nicely, guys. I really love this. It feels very nice. And you just take it this way. Let it get into your forehead. You can see how that how my forehead is just shining. That is the good. That will make it look like a pro, like a professional. Just touch this makeup. My black up eyeliner. Whoa, you see that? Whoa. It's really, 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 like really look very, very, very nice.
I'm loving this makeup right now. I'm in love with this makeup right now.
It's just too on point. That is how you slay the makeup, like you just slay it, like
This makeup is
So I'm gonna line my lip. This is the same lip liner that I used the other time on the previous makeup tutorial. I'm just gonna use it to line my lips. So like everything that I use, like it's just the foundation and the eyeliner that is not super drugs. Every other stuff is super drugs product. How can I not love this lip liner? And sorry guys, I didn't get to like tell you guys the lipstick that I added to it. This is black opal. I don't know if you can remember this black opal, back then black opal. That's what I just used with the lip liner, and it looks like I know some people find it very difficult to pick their down lashes, but it's not really difficult. Just be careful and you just dab it slightly. So guys, this is the finished look. All right guys, so rate my makeup. Rate it from 1 to 10.